All right, today's lab is acid-base indicators. Indicators are substances that change color depending on whether a solution is an acid base, neutral, or some change color for a full range of pHs. These were discovered in plant pigments. In fact, we're going to have some homemade indicators, and we're going to test them against the tried and true versions. Your job is to figure out from 12 common solutions, some of which are right here. You're going to try to figure out, are they acid or base, and then how strong. And the ultimate goal is to get a range, which is the most acidic, which is the most basic, and everything in between. And then when all is said and done, you'll compare it with what the actual case is. So let's have some fun. The first is, here's all the solutions in order that's listed on your data table. And the first is to test litmus. So for baking soda, it turns blue. And remember, you write down what you see, not what you think, what you see. So blue. For vinegar, red. For water, water just gets wet. So this is neutral litmus, and it'll turn red or pink. So water is neutral. No change, just turns wet. Then antacid, blue. Then aspirin, red. Then sugar, no change. Then lemon, red. Soap, blue. Hydrochloric acid, red. Salt, no change, just got wet. Drain cleaner, blue. And pop, kind of a faint red. Pause. All right, so the next test is pH paper. So what you want to do is dip it and then immediately test it against. So for the baking soda, it looks like about a 9.5. Vinegar. About a 2.5. Water. About a 6.5. Aspirin. About a 2.5. Sugar. About a 6.5. Lemon. It's about a 3. Soap. About a 9. Hydrochloric acid. Woo. That's a 1. Salt. Right about a 6.5. Drain cleaner. Woo. 14. Dark as midnight. And then pop. Looks like around a 4. Okay. Pause. All right, so now we're going to test a number of homemade indicators, starting with grape juice. And we're just going to add the grape juice to the solutions, and then your job is to write down what you see. So there's the baking soda. There's the vinegar. is water. Then antacid. Then aspirin. And then sugar. And then lemon juice. Soap. Hydrochloric acid. Salt. Drain cleaner. Whoa. Hardly need to stir that one. And then pop. Okay, so it looks like these three for sure, and then this one is moving towards the grape juice color, purplish end. The rest are not changed too much. Pause. Next is blueberry juice. Baking soda. Vinegar. Water. Antacid. Aspirin. Sugar. Lemon. Soap. Hydrochloric acid. Salt. Drain cleaner. Don't even need to stir that one, and pop. All right, so once again, it looks like these four have changed a different color than the others. All right, the next one is the funnest one. Oh, wait, is funnest a word? The most fun. More funner? The funnerest. The funnerest of them all is cabbage juice. There's baking soda. There's vinegar. There's water. There's antacid. There's aspirin. There's sugar. There's lemon. There's soap. There's hydrochloric acid. There's salt. Pop. All right, and then we'll freshen this, and then there's the pop. So if we look, there's three that are unchanged. They're just diluted cabbage juice. This one turned faintly green. This one is faintly kind of bluish. This one's quite a bit darker. This one went all the way to yellow. And then this one, this one, this one, and this one are red. So interesting. All right, so the last one is phenolphthalein. It only takes 1 drop. There's baking soda, vinegar, water, antacid, aspirin, sugar, lemon, soap, hydrochloric acid, salt, drain cleaner, pop. So, if you had any question on which ones were bases, the ones that turn pink with phenolphthalein are clearly bases. Okay, the rest are either neutral or acids of varying degrees. Okay, now 3 of the homemade indicators are kind of like the phenolphthalein. They just turn color whether it's an acid or a base. So you can compare those results just so you know which are acids or bases. There were 3 solutions that didn't change, either with the litmus, the phenolphthalein, or with the litmus, or anyway. So there's 3 solutions that are neutral. There's 5 acids and 4 bases. Then the cabbage juice and the pH paper changed color. They each had their own unique color for a full range. So I would use those to try to rank the solutions, 1 being most acidic and number 12 being most basic. And we can figure out which is the most acidic, hydrochloric acid, so you'll give it a number 1. And then the most basic easily was the drain cleaner. It'll be number 12. And then everything else is in between. The 3 neutral solutions, it doesn't matter which order you put them in. And then, so you want to fill out that ranking, and then I'll publish the key in a day or 2 so you can check your results. Good luck with the lab. Have fun.